Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar in Windows 11 or 10 PC using any web browser. In case you want to create a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar to open in your preferred web browser, you need to first open that web browser and then visit the Google Calendar website and sign into your account. Then click on this one start button and search your preferred web browser that you prefer to open. Then right click on its entry. Select here open file location. In case you see here a shortcut option, again right click and again click on this one open file location. Now whenever you will see the application, press shift key on your keyboard and then right click on the application. Now select copy as path in pop-up. Then right click on the free space. Select here new and then shortcut option. Paste the copied path in the location box. Then put one space. Then hyphen and then type URL. Then put one space again. Now copy Google Calendar address from your preferred web browser and paste it at the end. Then click on this one next button. Now name it Google Calendar and then click on this one finish button. This will create a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar. Whenever you will double click on this one icon, it will open in your preferred web browser through which you have created this one Google Calendar desktop shortcut on your Windows 11 or 10 PC.